Ever pondered the importance of electrolytes during intermittent fasting? Well, the answer lies in the intricate science of our body. The human body is a complex machine, and one of its crucial components is electrolytes. These tiny charged particles, which include sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, play vital roles in maintaining the body's overall balance. They regulate nerve and muscle function, hydrate the body, balance blood acidity and pressure, and help rebuild damaged tissue. Now, imagine the body as a musical orchestra and electrolytes as the maestro. Without the maestro, the orchestra would lose its rhythm and harmony. Similarly, a lack of electrolytes disrupts the body's balance, leading to a symphony of chaos inside us. When you're fasting, the body switches gears. Instead of burning glucose for energy, it burns fat in a process called ketosis. This metabolic switch, while beneficial for weight loss and mental clarity, can potentially disrupt the body's electrolyte balance. When you're not eating for extended periods, the body tends to excrete more sodium, one of the key electrolytes. This is where the importance of electrolytes during intermittent fasting comes into play. Replenishing electrolytes becomes vital to avoid symptoms of an imbalance, which may include fatigue, headaches, muscle cramps, and even heart irregularities. Now, you might be wondering how to maintain this delicate balance. Consuming electrolyte-rich foods during your eating windows, such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and avocados, can help. Drinking bone broth, a rich source of sodium, is another excellent way to replenish lost electrolytes. To summarize, electrolytes are the unsung heroes of our body's balance, especially during intermittent fasting. They ensure the body functions smoothly as it transitions from glucose burning to fat burning. Remember, maintaining the electrolyte balance is crucial to avoid potential side effects and to reap the full benefits of intermittent fasting. So, the next time you embark on your intermittent fasting journey, remember to give a nod to these tiny maestros, the electrolytes, the conductors of your body's symphony.